Hey guys! So I'm here with a new haircut. So my very first time ever since I was little cutting my hair like this. But here we are with February and March Allure beauty boxes. So I'm going to be comparing them. I'm going to show the February one first and then the March. This is the picture that they put for the month of February. This is a little booklet that comes with the information for all the things that are inside of the box for February. I have the Retinol 24-hour hydration, and it includes the mini jar and a bonus $3 coupon towards your next purchase of Olay Regenerous Retinol 24. So this is what it is, and this is what the little jar looks like. Okay. Item number 2, I would have to open because I haven't been wanting to swatch it until I made the video. Alright, so here's the lipstick. So it's kind of like I would say like a pinkish brownish red. Alright, let's swatch it. It comes out so pink. Okay. Cute packaging, I love it. This one I did try, so that's why it doesn't have the box with it. But this is what it is. It's a red lipstick. It is from Giorgio Armani. It's in the shade Rouge. And then this, I thought it was the lip liner. It's not the lip liner, it is the lip color. And it's velvet. It's a velvet lipstick. Alright. So I will swatch on this hand the lipstick versus the velvet color. Okay. I got the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Glow. Okay, and After Hours. Okay, nice. And I also got the Bare Minerals Skinsorials, and apparently you're supposed to use this as a moisturizer, I believe, because it does say after cleansing apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck, use morning and night. So it looks like it is a moisturizer. I also got the Belif in Truth Pete Miracle Revital Eye Cream. It's supposed to improve skin elasticity. And it's so thick. It's not sticky. I like it. But it's thick. Then I also got the PROB05 Brush from Nyx. It comes completely covered in this, but it's how it is. Okay, nice. And it feels a little bit thick. It has a nice thickness to it, so it's very, it seems like it's going to be very easy to grab. And just make sure you blend all these products into your face. And the very last thing is, well, I didn't notice it was here until I was looking at the catalog and I was like, oh, okay, this is supposed to be here and it's here. So it's a Honey Jarret Super Beau'Tea mask in rose, and it's a clean sheet. So Hopefully it smells really good. Here I got 9 things. Let's see the other box. This is the March beauty box for Allure. I see another mask. It says Lapcos Derma Mask Ceramide. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, firming. Then you see this, it says Floss, right? Has nothing to do with your teeth because it is a lip gloss. So cute. Alright, maybe I could wear this one with this on top. That would be cute. Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam. So this is supposed to be for your face. I've never used an oil on my face to wash my face because I do have oily skin. So I will try it out and see how it works. Fourth thing is an Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil. And then this huge mascara. It's Rodial Glamolash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. I'll show you the wand. One thing about it is it smells very strong. I went like this and I was already smelling it. It's very strong, but you know, I think it would just dry out and it wouldn't be such a big problem. And the last thing on this box, it is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter by Dr. Botanicals. It says LM right here. I thought that was a brand. It is from Dr. Botanicals. And apparently this is like another cream, another moisturizer. It has lemongrass oil and coconut oil. Let me see what kind of packaging it has. Oh, okay, it's cute. Oh, look at the little twisty thing in the bottom. Oh, this cap is so cute. Okay, and it comes with a seal. That's very good. So in this box, I had 6 things. Compared to my other box, I think the other box had more things. But I'm very excited about the Urban Decay black eyeliner because I want to see the quality. I want to see if it's going to be very tinty and it's going to blend very easily, or it's just going to be one of those that you have to like glide on for a while until the color comes off. I really am excited for the Giorgio Armani from the February box, but I don't know. I think both boxes are great. They're all different in their own way, and I like how both of them have skincare items. So with that being said, this is the conclusion of my video. I hope you guys liked this video, and give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of these beauty boxes. I also have more beauty boxes coming up. Just bear with me for a moment while I make these other videos as well as makeup videos, because I am lacking on makeup videos right now. I made one about a haul the other day, and then the other one about the BoxyCharm, but now I need to get back to my videos, right? My makeup videos. Okay, so have a good day everyone and stay safe. Bye.